When was the last time you sat quietly under a big tree? Not in a busy room, not in front of a loud screen. A real calm moment outside, with the sun on your face and the wind in your hair. If you do not remember, do not worry. You are not alone. Most people in the world today spend their whole life inside walls. Today, I want to share with you one of the simplest and most powerful secrets to a happy and peaceful life. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now let us open the door and step together into the beautiful world of nature. What does it mean to spend time in nature? It is very simple. It means leaving your room and going outside to green and open places. It means sitting in a park. It means walking in a forest. It means looking at the sea, a river, or a mountain. It means watching the birds, the trees, and the sky. Nature is everywhere around us, but we often forget to look. We are too busy. We are too tired. We are always inside our homes, our cars, and our offices. But nature does not ask for money. It does not ask for a ticket. It only asks for a little of your time, and it gives you so much back. Why have we forgotten about nature? The modern world is the answer. Today we live inside boxes. We sleep in a box. We work in a box. We travel in a box. We watch life through the small box in our hand. Many people spend 10 or 12 hours a day looking at a screen. Our eyes are tired. Our minds are full of noise. Our bodies do not move. We have lost our connection to the real world outside. But deep inside, our hearts still need the trees, the sky, and the fresh air. We are part of nature. When we stay away from it for too long, we feel sad, tired, and empty. Let us talk about what nature does for your body. The benefits are amazing. First, fresh air is very good for your lungs. When you breathe clean air outside, your whole body feels better. Second, sunlight gives you vitamin D. This vitamin makes your bones strong and your mood happy. Just 15 minutes of soft morning sun is a real gift for your health. Third, being in nature makes you move more. You walk, you climb, you explore. Your body wakes up. Fourth, time outside helps you sleep better at night. After a day in the fresh air, your body feels calm and ready for deep rest. All these gifts are free, and they are waiting just outside your door. Now, let us talk about what nature does for your mind. This part is truly magical. When you are in a green place, your busy mind becomes quiet. The stress melts away. The worries feel smaller. Many studies show that only 20 minutes in nature can lower your stress in a big way. The green color of the trees relaxes your eyes. The soft sound of the wind calms your heart. The smell of the grass and the flowers brings you peace. After a walk in the park, your thoughts become clear. Your problems feel easier. Nature is like a free doctor for your tired mind. Nature is also wonderful for your feelings. Modern life is full of stress, bad news, and noise. Our minds feel heavy and dark, but nature has a special power to heal us. When you sit by a river, you feel calm. When you watch the sunset, you feel hope. When you hear the birds sing in the morning, you feel joy. These small moments are free, but they are worth more than gold. If you feel sad, angry, or lost today, do not stay inside your room. Go to a green place, sit on the grass, look at the sky, breathe slowly. After only a short time, you will feel lighter and more at peace. Where can you find nature? You do not need to travel far. You do not need to climb a big mountain. Nature is closer than you think. A small park near your home is enough. A few trees on your street are enough. A garden behind your house is enough. If you live near a forest, a beach, or a lake, you are very lucky. Use these places every week. But even in a big city, you can find green corners. Look for a quiet park. Sit on a bench under a tree. Watch the birds. Even a few plants on your balcony can bring a little nature into your day. The most important thing is to find your own green place and visit it often. How much time do you need in nature? The magic number is 20 minutes a day. Just 20 minutes. That is not a lot of time. You spend more than that on your phone every hour. But you can also start with less. If 20 minutes feels too much, start with 5 minutes. Sit outside for 5 minutes every day. Drink your morning coffee in the garden. Eat your lunch in the park. Read a book under a tree. Slowly, you will want more and more time outside. On the weekend, try to spend longer hours in nature. Go for a hike. Visit the sea. Have a picnic with your family. Your body and your mind will thank you for it. Let us talk about the seasons, because every season has its own beauty. In the spring, the flowers open and everything turns green and fresh. It is a time of new life and bright colors. In the summer, the days are long and warm. It is perfect for the beach, the lake, and long evening walks. In the autumn, the leaves turn orange, red, and gold. The air is cool, and the world looks like a painting. In the winter, the trees rest, and sometimes the snow falls softly. Even the cold has its own quiet magic. Nature is never boring. It always changes. It always gives us something new and beautiful to see. Let us talk about nature and your children, or the young people you love. Today, many children spend all day inside with a screen in their hands. This is not good for them. Children need to run on the grass. They need to climb trees and play in the water. They need to feel the sun and the wind. When children play in nature, they grow strong and happy. They learn to love the world around them. So take your family outside. Go to the park together. Plant a small tree. Watch the clouds. These simple moments in nature will become beautiful memories that last for a whole life. Now, let me tell you about my favorite secret. Nature and learning English are a perfect couple. You can enjoy both at the same time. Take your phone and your headphones. Walk to a quiet park. Sit on a bench under a tree. Open an English podcast like this one. Then just relax, breathe, and listen. Your mind is calm, so it learns much better. The fresh air and the green view help your brain remember new words. After only 1 week of listening to English in nature every day, you will see a big change. Your listening skills will get stronger. You will feel happy and relaxed while you learn. This is one of the most beautiful ways to study English in the world. How can you make time in nature a real habit? Start very small. Do not try to spend a whole day outside on your first try. Start with just 5 or 10 minutes a day. Choose one green place near your home and make it your special spot. Go there at the same time every day. In the morning, at lunch, or before sunset. Put your shoes near the door so you remember to go out. Leave your phone in your pocket for a few minutes and just look around. Watch the trees, listen to the birds, feel the wind. After only 1 month of daily time in nature, you will not believe the change. Your mind will feel calmer, your body will feel stronger, and your love for the world will grow bigger. We have shared many wonderful tips today. We learned that spending time in nature means going outside to green and open places. We saw that the modern world keeps us inside, in front of screens, far from the real world. We talked about all the gifts of nature: fresh air, sunlight, a strong body, and a peaceful mind. We learned that even a small park near your home is enough. We saw that 20 minutes a day is a perfect goal. We talked about the beauty of every season and the joy of nature for our children. We also learned that listening to English in nature is a perfect way to grow your language. Most importantly, we learned that nature is a free medicine, always ready to heal us. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the simple power of saying thank you and how gratitude can change your whole life in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep breathing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.